Welcome back, Focus Learners. We're jumping right in today because this explainer covers something absolutely massive for anyone looking to build a sustainable, high-margin, print-on-demand business. We are breaking down a complete step-by-step roadmap for launching a highly profitable Zazzle storefront in 2026. Look, the print-on-demand landscape has shifted. The old upload and earn days? Yeah, those are gone. Today, it's all about strategic alignment. So let's look at exactly how you can go from zero to hero on this platform. Okay, let's dive into this roadmap. We're going to conquer 4 crucial phases. Build your brand identity, master print quality standards, optimize your Zazzle storefront, and finally, promote, refer, and profit.
Section 1. Build your brand identity. We have got to start strong.
Setting up your digital storefront correctly from day one isn't just about making it look pretty. It's an absolute necessity for how Zazzle categorizes and presents you to buyers. There are 3 critical initial steps here. Step 1. Choose a distinctive store name. Step 2, upload a beautifully designed banner, and you want that sized perfectly at 2280 by 380 pixels. And step 3, which honestly so many beginners just skip right over, is completing your About section with real, high-quality photos. A complete profile with real media images creates this sense of authenticity that the platform's algorithms absolutely love and reward. Let's think about that store name for a second. A generic name like Design Store 123, that tells the customer literally nothing. It kind of screams amateur, right? Now, compare that to a distinctive name like Vintage Botanical Prints or Modern Minimalist Weddings. A niche-specific, memorable store name instantly communicates your brand identity. It acts like a giant magnet, pulling in your precise target audience before they've even clicked on a single product. The source material gives us this really direct advice. Use a professional username that aligns with your brand or niche to make your store memorable. You really have to treat your store as a serious, professional brand right out of the gate. We're not just throwing spaghetti at the wall here, we are curating a highly specific aesthetic for a very specific buyer. Moving on to Section 2, Master Print Quality Standards. This is all about the technical craft. You could have the absolute best brand name in the world, but all the marketing in the universe cannot save low-resolution, poorly formatted artwork. And this brilliantly illustrates the difference in color profiles. You've got RGB, red, green, and blue, which is what your phone or computer screen uses. But professional physical printers use CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, and key. You absolutely must design and export your files in the CMYK color mode. That's the only way to ensure the vibrant colors you see on your screen actually look accurate and professional when they're printed on a real physical product. Next up, pixels. Zazzle has incredibly strict image resolution requirements. To easily remember this, just use the rule of 3. First, for soft substrates, think apparel, bags, aprons, your absolute minimum is 150 pixels per inch, or PPI. Second, moving up to hardgoods and smaller paper items like mugs or cards, you need to hit 200 PPI. And third, for high detail items like large posters or custom postage, you've got to hit that pristine 300 PPI mark. If you ignore this rule, the design tool will throw a resolution warning, and your printed product is basically going to end up looking like a blurry mess. So, what file format should you actually upload? It's the classic battle JPEG versus PNG. While JPEGs are great for keeping file sizes small, they do not support transparency. That means your design is going to have an ugly, solid white background box attached to it. No one wants that. PNGs, on the other hand, use lossless compression and support full alpha transparency. As a creator, you definitely want to choose PNGs so your artwork blends seamlessly onto products, like a t-shirt or a mug, without some clunky, visible border ruining the design. And here's a really cool, very specific technical trick for dark apparel. Zazzle actually uses a state-of-the-art printing process for dark shirts that allows them to print actual white ink. But, and this is a big but, the system only knows where to print that white ink if you upload a PNG file with transparency. Any areas meant to be transparent simply won't print, meaning the actual white elements of your design will print perfectly, exactly as you intended. All right, Section 3, Optimize your Zazzle storefront. Time to master the algorithm. Once your files are flawlessly uploaded, it's time to shift gears from artist to strategist. Visibility requires impeccable search engine optimization. First, use descriptive long-tail titles. Don't just name a product cool mug, name it funny botanical cat dad ceramic mug. See the difference? Second, fill all 10 of your allowed tag slots with highly relevant keywords. Third, write smart story-driven descriptions. And fourth, group your products into thematic collections to really multiply your exposure. All of those SEO efforts feed directly into your Z-Rank. Z-Rank is Zazzle's internal algorithm that measures your overall store health.
It relies heavily on your conversion ratio, which basically means the number of different products you've actually sold compared to the total number of products you have listed. A Z-rank score of 4 or above is your minimum viable threshold. If you drop below a 4, your store might literally be hidden from suggested marketplace searches.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is a counterintuitive strategy known as the deadbeat purge. Because your Z-rank relies on that ratio of sold to unsold items, having thousands of dead products just sitting there dragging you down is super toxic to your store's health. The fix? Periodically delete or hide inventory that has 0 views and 0 sales after a year. Cleansing your store of these deadbeats shrinks your total listed products, which instantly boosts your overall conversion ratio and algorithm ranking. Another great algorithm boosting habit is curating collections. Don't just leave your products in a random list. Group them logically. You can group by theme, like a matching wedding suite, or by aesthetic, linking different items through a shared color palette. Organizing your store like this massively improves the user experience. It lets customers easily shop the look, which heavily encourages high-value bulk purchases. Section 4. Promote, refer, and profit. Let's dig into the marketing economics. This right here is the most lucrative phase, driving external traffic to double your margins. In 2026, you absolutely cannot rely solely on internal platform traffic. You have to invest in active promotion to control your own destiny. The top-tier platforms for this are Pinterest, which is essentially a visual goldmine and search engine, TikTok and Instagram, where you can show off your designs using AI-generated lifestyle mockups, and external blogs, which are perfect for capturing highly specific long-term search traffic. 45. This number represents one of the most powerful tools in your entire marketing arsenal. 45 is the exact number of days the tracking cookie window lasts in the Zazzle Ambassador program. Let me explain exactly how that 45-day window makes you money. When you launch your affiliate strategy, you share your unique referral link on your social platforms. If a customer clicks your link, you earn a 15% referral commission if they buy literally anything on the platform within the next 45 days. Think about that for a second. Even if they don't buy your specific product, if they end up buying someone else's stuff, you still get a 15% cut, just for being the one who drove the traffic. So the crucial point is understanding the huge difference in earning potential here. A passive, hands-off seller who just sits back and relies totally on internal marketing might walk away with roughly 10 to 15% of a sale. But look at the hustler, the creator who actively combines their design royalty rate with their own affiliate referral link. By driving their own external traffic, they can capture a massive 35 to 50% of the total sale. That right there is the difference between a cute hobby and a highly profitable business. To really maximize those hustler earnings, you've got to operate on a strict seasonal strategy. Events like Thanksgiving, Christmas, St. Patrick's Day, and graduations always bring in massive surges of highly motivated buyers. But here's the catch. You can't just upload a Christmas design in December and expect it to sell. You must start designing and uploading your seasonal inventory 2 to 3 months in advance. That gives the algorithms plenty of time to index your products well before the actual buying frenzy begins. And as you target those seasonal surges, combine them with deep, precise niche markets. Remember, Zazzle's ultimate superpower is its personalization engine. By creating highly personalized gift sets for incredibly specific audiences, like, say, a customized mug and a matching notebook set for a cat-loving accountant, you drastically increase the perceived value of the product. And consequently, you drastically increase your average order value and your overall profit. We've covered a ton of ground today. We went through building your brand identity, mastering those technical print standards, optimizing for the algorithms, and leveraging incredible affiliate marketing economics. The entire roadmap is laid out clearly right in front of you. Now, it is time to take action. So take a look at the calendar, look at your specific niche, and tell me, which holiday will you start designing for next? I seriously can't wait to see the incredible storefronts you're going to build. Keep learning, keep designing, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.